Hi guys, welcome to Caribbean Blend. And today I have a special dish for you. Jamaican style curry chicken. Wagwan. Alright, so here I have some chicken washed with lime and vinegar. And I have some seasoning cut up already ahead. Alright, so I have sweet pepper, onions, scallion, thyme, ginger, garlic, and some pimento seed, and some scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, and then I'm gonna throw some of my special all-purpose seasoning on here. All right, the next process, we're gonna put some oil in a pot at medium heat, and then I'm gonna go ahead with some curry. This is the Blue Mountain Peak spicy curry that I'm using. All right, this process is called burning the curry before you add the chicken. All right, I find this way of doing the curry chicken way better. It gives the chicken more flavor. All right, so now you're gonna add your chicken to the pot, and then you're just gonna blend everything in, okay, slowly. There's another way to add the curry to the chicken. You can actually add the curry while you're seasoning the chicken. All right, and then you're just gonna let this simmer down for at least 10 minutes, and then you're going to repeat the process again. Just keep adding small amount of water in the pot until it comes to that real yellow curry color. All right, and then after that you can go ahead and add some water or chicken stock, and you're gonna let that cook for at least 45 minutes, and periodically you check on the pot to make sure there's water in it and it's not burning. All right, so while you check on that and you make sure you're stirring so nothing sticks to the bottom. All right, if it needs more water, as you can see, I'm going to add a little bit more water, and then I'm just going to let that cook down for another 20 minutes. Then the final step is adding some potatoes. You can add carrots and potatoes. Here I'm only putting some potatoes, and this I'm going to let this cook down for another 20 minutes until the potatoes are cooked, because the chicken is already cooked. And then yes, this is how it will come out. You can let the gravy boil down more if you want to. I did let it boil down a little bit more because I'm going to eat this with Jamaican boiled dumpling and some sweet plantain. Look at that. And that nice rich curry flavor. You don't want your curry to be dark, and you don't want it to be black or brown. This is a nice curry flavor, and as you can see, that gravy came in handy. Right? You can also eat this with some white rice. Please enjoy, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video.